If you are new to the dktools.com website, then this short video should give you a brief overview on the basics of how to shop and check out on our website. When you log in, you will be landing on our homepage where you get to see some of the latest offers, as well as some of the new products down here, as well as bestsellers. In terms of shopping the website, there are three main options. You can either browse by category, so let's say you want to see some of the axes. You can search by the item that you're looking for, so let's say we want to have a look at all our hammers. Or indeed, if you know the stock code of the item that you would like to see, then you can search by stock code. Whichever of these options you choose, you can add to basket from the product display page here, and you can add as you scroll. So let's say we want one of these, let's say we want 12 of these. We can update the quantities and quite quickly work your way down to add the items that you need. A couple of features to pull out quickly here are the notifications when something is out of stock and when it comes back into stock. So let's say I want this pin hammer A1100, but we currently don't have stock. If you click the notify me when back in stock button, this item will be added to your stock notification list and you'll be sent an email when that item does return to stock. At any point when you're ready to check out, the basket icon at the top right hand of the screen will show you what's in your basket on the right hand side. If you want to view the basket in full, you click on basket, and note that I haven't quite hit the minimum order yet, so in the basket I'm able to update the quantities. So let's say I want to change this to 25. I can update it there and then in the basket. Right, so I've hit the minimum order value to check out, and at this point you can click on secure checkout. There will be a reminder of some items that are popular that you may want to add, but let's say that I want to add 5 of these. I can do so in this flyout window and add the selections to the basket and continue to check out, or I can close and continue to check out without adding anything else. So let's say I want to add these to my basket. These will now be in my basket. I then get to choose my delivery address. If this is the first time that you have checked in, then you will want to add a delivery address, and you can do that quite quickly with the predicted address feature. So let's say I want to add my delivery address. I can do so by entering the postcode, and then there's a Google lookup. I can save that address, and if I want to, I can make that my default address, or I can change my default address. And let's say I want to deliver to this address. I'm then faced with delivery options, and I want next working day. Enter the purchase order number if applicable, and then I can either pay by card, or if you have a credit account with us, then you'll be able to check out using available credit. You can click place order, and there you go, you've got the order confirmation, and then you'll receive an order confirmation email.